is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. If you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. All birds find shelter during a rain. But eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but attitude makes the difference. Success is when your signature becomes an autograph. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. I'm not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. Without your involvement you can't succeed. With your involvement you can't fail. Once your mind stretches to a new level, it never goes back to its original dimension. Thinking should become your capital asset, no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. What is the secret of success? Right decisions. How do you make right decisions? Experience. How do you gain experience? Wrong decisions. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. In this world, fear has no place. Only strength respects strength. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have a name in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. A fool can become a genius when he understands he is a fool, but a genius can become a fool when he understands he is a genius. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Be active. Take on responsibility. Work for the things you believe in. If you do not, you are surrendering your fate to others. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. No matter what is the environment around you, it is always possible to maintain your brand of integrity. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. For great men, religion is a way of making friends. Small people make religion a fighting tool.